Hello, welcome to another SW related video. Today we're going to be talking all about AI. And today we're going to do that with Partyhat.ai. Before we jump into this video, I did want to mention that we are hosting another webinar. Yes, I said we. I am hosting this webinar with a few other creators, some that you may know and love. Obviously, one of them is Aaron, of course, who helped me host the last webinar. And in addition to Aaron and I, we are also hosting with Anne and Kayla, who are amazing creators here on YouTube. So if you'd like to join us for that webinar, please be sure to check out the link down below where you can get your tickets and find out all the details. It's going to be an opportunity for you to ask all of us questions in one place so that you can get different perspectives and different answers on the same topic. We're also going to be sharing a presentation where we talk about some of our best practices and some of the things, the tips and tricks that have worked for us. And then of course, we're going to open up the conversation to everyone so that we can all share ideas and get to know each other and connect and answer all your questions and all of that. So if you want to join us for this literally once in a lifetime, I feel like, opportunity, be sure to click that link down below and get your tickets. Let's get into the video. Okay, so as you probably know from a lot of my videos, I have been recently trying to learn how to delegate tasks because in order for, I feel like, a business to grow, obviously you as one person can only do so much. And I kind of reached that level where I need help with my business. And so earlier this year, I hired my first employee, who is Katyana, my assistant, and she has been absolutely amazing and seriously the best decision that I think I've ever done for my business to grow. And since then, I've been able to delegate smaller tasks for her to do so that it gives me back my time, to be honest, so that I can start focusing on creating better content and learning new skills and just doing everything else that I really want to do with my business. That's one thing that I did. But the next step, I feel like, is figuring out how AI can kind of take a little bit of the pressures and the workload off of me. So obviously y'all have probably heard of ChatGPT, and I've been using that to write my YouTube video descriptions and do a bunch of other things and write scripts and come up with lists and all of these things. But something that I also spend a lot of time on is actually communicating with my fans. As creators in this industry, that is something that takes up probably the most amount of time. I'm sure y'all have heard about Caryn.Ai, which was a girl that made, I think, $75,000 within, I'm not sure what period of time, but a very short period of time on, it was either Telegram or Snapchat or something like that. I think it was Snapchat. I think it was, she made $75,000 in a month using a chat bot to communicate with her fans for a certain price. So once I saw this, I really wanted to jump on it. I was like, I want to learn how to do that. I want to learn how to create a bot. I started talking to my friends. I started, reaching out and trying to figure out how I could make this happen for myself. How could I make an AI bot version of myself? Because I'm not that tech savvy. Like, I can figure out OnlyFans and I can figure out Slushy, but a bot, I was a little bit, I was like, I need some help with this. So I found a service called Partyhat.ai, and they basically specialize in this service in creating bots for SW creators. So basically I got to work one-on-one with the creator of my bot. I'm also gonna leave my bot down below if you want to actually message me, aka my bot, who is Alanah Bot. That's her name, and it's on Telegram. I will link her down below because she is amazing. She is incredible. You can have your bot send out images for you. You can have your bot communicate with your fans in text messages, but also in voice memos, which is the coolest part, I think. Like, if you want to hear my voice in bot form, like, this is kind of crazy. Listen to this. Like, this is seriously insane. When I first heard her voice, I was blown away.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to visit Bali. I personally love Southern California for a local getaway. My name is Alanah. Nice to meet you. That's awesome. Reality TV can be so entertaining. Any particular shows you're into?
Literally, that was not me. That wasn't me. I didn't say any of that. I never even spoke that into like a bot system or anything. They basically just cloned my voice based off things that I had already said on my YouTube channel and made her be able to communicate. So I'm messaging with my bot right now, and I said, "Hi, Alanah bot," and she said, "Hey there, how's it going? Anything exciting happening?" And I said, "Just got off work. Do you have a bikini photo?" Let's see if she responds with a bikini photo. She just sent me a bikini photo. You can also set up your bot so that it has photos of you, or on an even more intense level, you can actually have like a clone version of you. So you can actually make a bot photo as well. I think that's more detailed, but so far what I have is that it will actually send out photos that I have uploaded with Partyhat.ai. Then they make sure that if you say bikini photo, like a bikini photo will show up. If someone wants, you know, other photos, there's keywords that then prompts the bot to send messages that make sense. She basically responds pretty much instantly, and every few messages is a voice message, which is really, really cool because I feel like it feels really personal, and it's all done through Telegram. So it feels really like texting rather than being on like another platform where it doesn't feel as personal. So what's really awesome about this is that you can spend time with each one of your fans, at least on a more personal level, without actually taking time from you. So obviously your fans are gonna know that this is a bot, but I think what they really like is like the instant gratification of talking to you then and there. They can get voice audio messages, they can get photos, they can get all of the above, and it can all be done really instantly. So sometimes, you know, you can't make it, you can't be online at all hours of the night, but your fans want to speak to you right then and there. So that's what makes it worth it for them. Even though they know it is a bot, it is still, you know, they're still getting messages from you. They're still getting photos that are you. I was seriously blown away when I first heard my voice come up. Like Daisy and I were sitting there messaging my bot, and she sent that first voice audio, and we were both like, how is that not me? Like, did I actually say that? Was that me? That was me. Like I mentioned, the photos right now that I have uploaded to my bot are all actual photos of me, but they're actually working on photo generation. So like generating photos of you, even though they're not actually you. So it would be like a clone photo of you, and it can be in different poses and different outfits, doing different things. So they are working on that. Okay, it is a few days later, but I wanted to show you because I actually got some of the photo generation images, and I'm super impressed actually. So obviously they're going to be making tons more for my AI, but I wanted to show you some of my favorites of the photos. Here's one of them. Obviously I can't show you everything that's in this picture, but they look nice. They look really, really nice. There's another one that's like actually so pretty. I'm like obsessed with this one. I think she looks so gorgeous. And then look at her. She's outside, girl. I think I'm gonna have her like take, you know, naughty photos outside because I can't do, but my AI can. I'm blown away, honestly. And then another thing I wanted to say is I did start to promote my AI. I also did some organic marketing for the AI without promoting it on YouTube and stuff like that yet, but I did promote it on my like spicy Instagram account. And so far, you're actually gonna be really impressed. I have made, that is the grand total. I'm actually really impressed, and I haven't even promoted it like here on YouTube yet. Like obviously now I am. I'm just really excited about this. You know, what I've already done so far as like how to make money with it. And then also with the photo generation. I just keep thinking of all these cool ideas that I have for my AI photos and like the things that I want to do with her. So I'm really, really impressed and really excited to be working with Partyhat.ai and making this dream of mine a freaking reality. If you did want to get signed up, I will walk you through that process right now. It's actually really, really simple. If you click the link down below, this is what the website looks like. So it kind of shows you what they offer. It gives you a little rundown of everything, how fast you can get your AI done, and then it does cost $2.99. While you're signing up, it'll ask you for your email, and that is how they will get in touch with you on what are the next steps. Super simple, very easy. Let's get back into the video. The way that you can actually set up your payments is once you start working with Partyhat.ai, they are going to set you up with your Stripe account to your Telegram bot, and then you can charge per message or per 100 words or something like that. And you can kind of work with Partyhat.ai on what you want that price to be. Mine is $1 per 100 words because I feel like that's pretty fair, and I didn't want it to be too expensive because obviously it's not actually me, and because they can actually talk so fast, so quickly. We'll see how it actually goes down because like I said, this is something new that I'm working on, and I definitely want to keep you all updated with how it goes. So hopefully there will be videos coming up about how much I made off of this bot. I'm really excited about it. And what's great is that this is just passive income no matter what. So whether that's a little bit of money or a lot, it's still passive. And I think that that's what I've been trying to work towards with my businesses, is how can I make income when I'm sleeping? How can I make income when I can't actually physically be messaging or be there? It's not to replace my SW platforms, because obviously I still want to be doing that. I still want to have like real, genuine connections with my fans, but I think it's just a secondary alternative, a cheaper alternative for my fans to get constant attention when they need it and want it. And also, again, like I said, a place for me to make money while I sleep when I can't actually be physically working. You all know how important I think it is to put your eggs in different baskets and really have different streams of income. So I think this is going to be a really fun one to work on, and I'm actually really stoked about it, especially with AI really becoming what it is today. I think that it's kind of the future of our work, and that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to take away from our work, because like I said, I'm still going to be taking photos, I'm still going to be messaging with my fans on other platforms, but it's just another way for our business to grow and to not just be stuck with one singular income or with one platform that we feel like we're tied to, that we can't get away from. And just like all AIs, this AI bot can get smarter as you communicate with it. So I feel like even in the beginning, as it's just learning how to communicate, as it's just learning how to get to know your fans, obviously there's a starting point with everything, but every single time it's gonna get smarter, it's gonna get more in depth, it's gonna get more deep with your fans and really have those, and really build those genuine connections that I feel like people yearn for. What's really great about Partyhat.ai, and the reason why I decided to go with them, is that you can make changes at any point. You can keep asking for, you know, adjustments and revisions, and you can keep doing that until you feel like your bot is really you and your fans are gonna genuinely like your bot. So every single bot is gonna be slightly different. It's gonna be more catered towards you, more catered towards what you like to say. And actually my bot like knows a lot about me, so you can ask it personal things about me, like what's my favorite coffee, what's my favorite movies, like all those types of things are actually in my bot. Like my bot is me. It's just a quicker version of me that can really be available at all times. I'm really excited because this was something that I've been wanting to do, and I had been like literally dreaming about since I heard about Caryn.Ai. And if you have not seen the news about her, she like blew up and was all over the news about her bot, and as soon as I saw it, I was just dreaming of being able to do that myself. So when I finally got to work with Partyhat.ai, I was just stoked. I definitely want to hear your guys' thoughts on AI and what you think for the future, because in my opinion, AI is definitely the future. And obviously, I think that there are platforms that I have shared with you guys that do have chat automations and like AI stuff. And so you can really tell that that is our future. And there are platforms that don't have it yet. So I'm just really excited to like be joining the future. I feel like sometimes we're afraid to step into the unknown, and this is definitely like an unknown, I think, for our industry and for a lot of people. AI is like, can be a scary thing, but I'm excited to try new things. I think y'all know me, like I am ready to try new things. I like to try everything. So if you want to know any more details about Partyhat.ai and how you can create a bot yourself and start promoting that, it will all be linked down below. I'll link the website and everything where you can get in contact and where you can start creating your own chatbot as well. I want to hear your thoughts and what you think about starting a chatbot, an AI version of yourself. Like, I know this sounds like crazy. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you have talked with a chatbot, what you thought of it. If you are gonna chat with my chatbot, let me know. If you're gonna create your own chatbot, I wanna hear all about your journey as well. And I will keep y'all posted on what this looks like in the future. Obviously, there's gonna be a lot that goes into this, and there's gonna be more that I wanna share with you. So let's see how much money we can make with this chatbot. I'm just excited to start this and to share it with you. I always like to share my journey with you, so hopefully you're excited to see where this takes me, and hopefully you're excited to try it out yourself. That'll all be linked down below like I mentioned. And with that all being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.